Welcome to another episode and video on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and in online mode programmed in Python. With two front sensors, one sensor next to the battery and the camera for use with OpenCV. Last few episodes I have been trying to get it walking with more or less success, using the cloth for friction and getting some very odd results. Also using the ROBOPro environment. Sometimes they don't work at all, sometimes both work and sometimes one works. And then I'm talking about one of the sides left or right. I just realized that after powering up I forgot to set the date, so before I go on I should set the date. And let's see, settings, go down, date and time, date, and month, and day is, today is 12, no it's 13 actually. And time being 14:22. Or something like that. So now everything has been set. That's good. One thing that has been a problem so far is that with Python, the current counter question did work. Get current distance doesn't, and some problem with ROBOPro that C3 can use it, C2 cannot. C4 stays empty. And I have been pointed to the fact that that is actually no longer, because with the TXT controller as well as ROBOPi, FT ROBOPi, distance only works when you have motor 1 connected to counter 1, motor 2 connected to counter 2. So that is an issue, and that I may have to address. So if I look at the code, then I know I have motor 1 defined for motor rechts and motor 2 for motor links, or the right side motor and the left side motor. So that is not going to work with counter 3 and counter 4. I have to move them over here. Will that then work with the rest of my software? No, because I have used different counters. C3 and M1, C4 and M2. So I have to reprogram my algorithm, unfortunately, and I have to check that this wire at C3 indeed is for M1, but that is easy done. So let's start with reconfiguring the wiring. Alright, I just noticed that I'm still not quite sure which one it is. because here I have get current distance, and here I have it as well, but different condition. So I have to say afstandsmotor rechts niet gelijk, and here the same. So now I know that not equal, not equal, not equal. And then I know things are going the right way. So let's test if, oops, if this condition is being met or not. I do think so, but who knows. Okay, then let's also say, oh, that's not much, only 6 images being sent. And another thing is, it just ended. Oh, here it says 0. Which 0 is it? Is it C? And that's the point. That is the big point. Which one is this? This one? Or this one? Or this one? I suspect this one, but let's just see. First some image magic. 33, and not really telling. So let's take image. Look at this. They're exactly the same, or supposed to be. And then you can see that this line with red versus yellow is exactly here. And these things are here. So reddish, but the big red part is not there. Anyway. Second attempt for the algorithm. If it chooses to do something, that is. Really? Okay. So, afstandsmotor rechts is this one. This one is absolutely 0. And the fact that this one is different slightly, I think. Let's see, this one is motor linked, this one is TXT motor 1. Yeah, but they are both 0. And the big question is, if I look back, one of them is slightly different. They are both the same. Yeah, they are both the same. And here, they're 0. So I have to run it again. Alright, some better lighting. what is going to happen. Okay, I have some values here, some very nice values. It doesn't do a thing. Oh, this is remarkable. Wait a minute. Look here. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. There, it's not moving at all, because those were the values that I had as well. And then here, suddenly 8 becomes 0. Suddenly 8 becomes 0, and that one is C2. Or is it? Yeah, it's the left side, and that is C2. Becomes suddenly 0. Let's check on this one. Nothing. And what I recall is that I put them in C1 in C3 and C4 for a reason. But this is not what I expected. And here they're both 0. They're both 0. So initially they were good, okay, and then they don't work at all. So let's do another one. The voltage has dropped a bit, but way above limit. It moves very good. Oh, 3 and 0, and 0 and 0. 3, 0. Okay, what else? Going back. Here. Well, this is definitely get current distance. Most definitely get current distance. But then, what happens that it suddenly becomes 0? Here, 3, 0. Camera action end. Reverse. Afstandmotor rechts niet gelijk is 192. So 1 plus. Here suddenly it gets reset to 3, 0. Makes absolutely no sense. And then no need to check on this one actually, because it will say 0. Yeah. Alright, so when this is being counted, and in the end it will be set to 0 apparently, when I run it again, what will happen? Let's see. Now I'm getting curious. Please do run. Oh yes, here, 10 and 28. Oh, look at that. 50 1028. Somehow it's completely set to 0. And let's be certain. This is the distance being set, 2400. Well, no need to tell that 2400 in distance is never met this way. Alright, let me put it straight again and go. Look here, 204. Yeah, right. Look here. Afstand motor S 204, 205, links 205, and 1 to 13. 1 to 13 and 0, 0. I'm not sure what to think of this. So, encountering a mystery, or maybe something I'm just not aware of or don't know yet. So, rewiring did make a massive change. Fortunately, the algorithm isn't that expensive, isn't that large, so I could easily change it. However, the acquired values, the red values are not the way I expected. Not reaching the set distance of 2400, being reset in the end, and sometimes just simply not walking. Not what I expected at all, but better something than nothing. Well, taking more pictures is not necessary because it hardly moved, and using the ordinary image next to the HSV image gives some information and sheds some light on how it works, but to be improved. And that's about it. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, the video, and leave a comment if you like, much appreciated. Also, please subscribe to my Twitter. If you follow me on Twitter, please retweet, like and leave a comment. If you follow me on Instagram, please like and leave a comment. Please donate to show your support. More information on how to donate and where to donate, not how much, that's on to you. Please see my website, and at the start of this video you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. More information on my website and on my Patreon page, and this is going to be continued. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.